Hi folks, Russ with Car Cleanse UK here. Now every once in a while we get asked by a customer to come out and correct somebody else's bad work. And we're in Farnborough today, and this lady booked a company to clean her oven. I think this was in November. And the person who she dealt with said, I can clean your car seats for you, no problem at all. But as you can see, look at the state of them. Whatever's been used is like a powder that's wicked to the surface. So I'm going to take a guess now and say that whoever did this has basically thrown a load of chemical in the tank of the extraction machine, and they've just basically sprayed the seats, and they haven't extracted correctly because there's still a load of chemical in the seat. In fact, the customer showed me a picture of how the seats looked before he cleaned them, and they look like 100 times better. Okay, so we're going to rectify this today. Hopefully the poor woman will get her money back. We don't believe people should be out offering services that they clearly can't do properly. So but again, I'm not going to mention any names. If the person who has done this is watching this, then stick to cleaning ovens, mate, because you shouldn't be doing this kind of work. We're about halfway through this job now, and I wanted to share with you what we've actually extracted from that driver's seat. Now, bearing in mind, this car, or the seats, I should say, the seats were cleaned late last year. It's now January 2022. So let's just see what we've managed to take out of that driver's seat. Now, from the colour of that water, that would suggest that I would say that that seat was never cleaned correctly in the first place. Right, we have completed this job now, and our drying equipment has been working its magic. It's a very cold day today here. It's only about 4 or 5 degrees centigrade, and even though the sun's out, it is still very cold. So drying times unfortunately are extended because of the ambient temperature, but as you can see, those nasty stains left by the previous attempt to clean the seats have all been removed. We have lifted this up, the bench, so we can get right to the bottom of the rear seating there, and that's going to stay like that for a couple of days to completely dry. And there's the seat on the front there. So yes, it's all looking a lot better, and the customer is very happy.